Ever wondered how high-end designer fashion is made? Classic luxury. You can create with your own hands. This timeless look is easier to draft than you think. I'm ladybirdesigner, and today, I'm sharing the professional pattern making techniques to bring this vision to life. Subscribe, and let's start creating. In this design, we need to sew the side dart on the garment. Now we need to remove this underbust dart and transfer it to the side. To do this, I will reduce the side by the same amount as the dart. For cutting, we place the CF line on either the closed fold or the open layer of fabric. CF stands for center front, which is the center front line of the garment. If you want to do it like this model, the model is cut on the open fabric, but you can also do the same on the closed fold. It's completely a matter of preference. As always, I've included the dress length and all the important details in the description, so make sure to check it out. For the side dart, don't forget it must be exactly 2 centimeters away from the bust point. So now I've placed the side dart 2 centimeters from the bust point. As you can see, we finished the front pattern design and only the side design remains, which I'll teach you at the end. Now let's move on to the back pattern design. For the back pattern, as you see in the picture, the design is exactly like the front pattern and it has no dart. So now I'm going to start designing the back pattern, and you follow along with me step by step. Now we transfer the back pattern dart to the side. Then we write all the pattern notes directly on the back pattern itself. We always do this to keep our patterns nice and organized. To design the side pleat section, first join the front side piece to the back side piece, then do the divisions and number each piece. Now we redraw the grain line guidelines from the front and back patterns onto all the numbered pieces. The most important point in creating this beautiful side pleat is placing the pieces we just numbered. To get deeper pleats, you can increase the space between the pieces, or just use this same spacing I used. For this part to sit beautifully on the body, we go up at least 3 centimeters from the center line we drew and shape the upper part as a curve. As I mentioned before, you can increase the space between these pieces to create more pleats. For this part to sit beautifully on the body, we go up at least 3 centimeters from the center line we drew and shape the upper part as a curve. In this design, the neckline and armhole edges are finished with bias tape. But you can design free facings for these parts, like I did. For the facing, be sure to use very delicate fabric. We designed the facing for both the front and back parts. Thanks for staying with me to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit like and let me know in the comments what other styles you'd like to learn. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next video. It's going to be special. Until the next video, stay successful and creative. Take care.